11 trainer, which was basically the single engine fighter. This aircraft fitted with an R2000 engine. Same as fitted to the Caribou, but instead of being around 1450 horsepower, this is boosted up to about 1750, and it has some incredible records under its belt. It's probably his last time it's named there, and that was fast. Basically raises the horsepower that 300. What it did when it had 1750 horsepower, it came out 2011, set the official international speed record for piston engine aircraft under 3,000 kilos, 655 kilometres per hour over a 3K course at the Bonneville Salt Flats. So as Marco Sunderland brings it down, you can see the cylinders and smoke. It was a time to climb record in February 2012. This thing does climb like a homesick angel. On that day in February 2012, it set the official time to climb record to 3,000 metres. Now that's 9,800 feet. That was from a standing start, and it took 2 minutes and 3 seconds from a standing start to 3. Exactly the same wing platform as the Yak-3 fighter, which had outstanding performance in World War II. We'll see this flying with a Yak-3 full noise a little bit later on. Yes, with Mr. Graham Froome. This is in fact the 3U uniform on Friday night, folks. Very different sound to the radials compared to the V's, and it sounds like it's not doing any work at all, just idling. Look at the way those smoke trails actually break up due to the wing tip vortices, and those little smoke rings in the sky. Well, his generators are on. He is flat stick there, up and over the top. There are restrictions with propellers approaching speeds like this.